Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Thelma and I'm here with my brother today, Samuel. Today's video is going to be about some Chinese words that originated from other languages. So I'll read some Chinese words and let him guess. Ready?
Always.
Okay, so number one, you already know this one. Microphone. Microphone.
Microphone.
Correct. The second word is cafe. Cafe.
Cafe. Come again.
Cafe.
Coffee.
Yes! Yes, coffee. So the third word is going to be cartoon. Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Wow! That's correct. The first one, pizza.
Pizza.
I know that one was actually quite easy. Okay, the next one, guitar. Guitar.
Huh?
Guitar.
Guitar. Guitar.
Yes, yes. The sixth word is chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
I don't think I know that one.
Chocolate, you eat it. You always
Chocolate. Yeah.
Yes.
Chocolate.
The next one.
Chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate. The next one, ballet.
Ballet.
Woo! Next one, tantin. Tantin.
Tan what?
What?
Tan what?
Tantin.
Tantin.
What was tantin? What's tantin?
Okay, wait. Tantin. I don't know.
That whenever you're hungry, you go there to eat.
Say it again.
Whenever you're hungry.
No, the word.
Tantin.
Canteen.
Yes, I mean.
Why does tantin? It sounds tantin, and in English it's canteen.
Yeah, you know, it's not actually going to be exactly the same way it's pronounced. So that's why it's similar, kind of, yeah.
So which other word?
Color.
Color.
Nah.
Huh?
Color. You drink it.
Water.
What does color and water rhyme? I don't understand.
Okay, wait. Color. You drink it.
Yeah, you always drink it. Actually, it's my favorite drink.
Fanta.
No, Fanta is not my favorite
wait,
drink.
wait. Color. I can't get that.
Okay, let me make it easy for you. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Oh my god.
I mean. So the last word is jack. Jack.
Jack. Again.
Jack.
Okay, can you give me some hints?
Because I'm giving you hints. Okay, you put it on something you wear.
Jacket.
Yeah, but I helped you in that one. So that's the end of today's video. I would like to know how many of those words you've guessed right. Leave them down below for me. Thank you and see you next time.
Don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Turn on
Thank
your post
you.
notification.
Yeah, bye.